Today we're in Berlin, Germany. Welcome to Checkpoint Charlie in Berlin, Germany. This was recorded in September of 2018, so before the pandemic. So that's why you'll see a kind of normal activity on the streets of Berlin, no masks, etc., etc. Just came out of the subway. We are kind of essentially looking for Checkpoint Charlie. We've never been here before, never been in the city before, so also kind of learning our way around a little bit. The warbling you see here in the video is where the software is trying to stabilize it. This was, back before I started using more modern cameras that had better stabilization. So I'm trying to clean it up a little bit for you here.